The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the Northern District of Columbia, Central and Arundel County in Central Maryland, Southeastern Montgomery County in Central Maryland, Northern Prince George's County in Central Maryland, until 3:15 p.m. At 2:35 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Chevy Chase, or over Bethesda, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Bethesda, Bowie, Annapolis, College Park, Crofton, Greenbelt, Langley Park, Beltsville, Largo, Bladensburg, Mayo, Naval Academy, FedEx Field, Fort Totten, Severn River, South River, University of Maryland, Howard University, Road River and American Legion Bridge. A tornado watch remains in effect until 6 p.m. for District of Columbia, Central Maryland, and Northern Virginia. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.